In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Deep Learning for Human Activity Recognition based on Causality feature extraction. So now coming to the introduction part. Deep learning has become an influential approach within artificial intelligence, bringing about significant changes across diverse fields, notably in the realm of recognizing human activities. Increasingly, there is a rising enthusiasm for employing deep learning methods to identify and comprehend intricate patterns in the human activities. This is especially vital in sectors like healthcare, food analysis, and security surveillance. A noteworthy aspect of deep learning in the context of recognizing human activities is its emphasis on causality feature extraction. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to improve the precision, effectiveness, and resilience of activity recognition systems. Conventional approaches frequently depend on manually crafted features which may be constrained in capturing the complex and dynamic characteristics of human activities. Through the application of deep learning techniques, especially those highlighting causal features extraction, the objective is to automatically derive significant patterns and relationships from unprocessed sensor data. So now coming to the requirements part, here we have two types of requirements, the hardware requirements and the software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 8 GB of RAM is required and hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirements part, Anaconda 3 is required and Visual Studio Community version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, here first we have videos. In a general context, videos typically refers to visual content in a motion picture format. It could include a wide range of content such as movies, TV shows, short films, or user-generated videos. On websites or applications, a video section often implies a collection or library of video content that users can browse, watch, and interact with. Second, here we have features. Features can have different meanings depending on the context. In the context of software applications or products, features usually refers to a specific functionalities or capabilities that the product offers. These are distinctive aspects or tools that contribute to the overall utility of the product. For example, if you are talking about the features of a mobile app, it might include things like a messaging feature, a search feature, or a photo sharing feature. Then here we have sign out. Sign out is a term commonly used in the context of user accounts and authentication. It refers to the action of logging out or ending a session. When a user signs out of an account, they are usually taken to a state where they are no longer authenticated and their access to certain features or content is restricted until they log in again. Signing out is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to a user's account, specifically when using shared devices. So now coming to the execution part, to execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder which is named as templates. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, about.html, etc., which represent different pages of the website. Then another folder which is named as static. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. And the folder which is named as dataset. This folder contains of the dataset which is used in this project. Then here we have .ipynb file, which is a Jupyter notebook file which contains a combination of code, graphs, and outputs all in one place. It allows the users to write and execute code in individual cells, making it a popular choice for data science. The next here we have app.py file, which likely contains the information related to front-end logic. It could include code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. The next here we have signup.db. This file appears to be the database files which is used to store the information. So now just copy the path from here. Open the Anaconda prompt. Type the cd command followed by a space and the space a path over here, and now hit the enter button. And now type python app.py and now just hit the enter button. After running the app.py file, the Flask framework will host the application link locally at the default address in port 5000 unless configured differently. So here you can see that the link has been posted over here. Just select this link and copy this link and paste it into any of the browser. Here I am using Chrome, and now just hit the enter button. So here you can see that it is asking for the username and password, and by clicking on the sign up button, you can enter your name, mobile number, email, and password over here. I have already done the registration, so I am clicking on sign in button. Enter the username over here and the password over here which you have created while doing the registration. Now simply click on sign in button. Click on OK. Here you can see that this is our home page. It is showing about the human activity recognition. here we have to enter the path of the video. So let me enter the path of the video. Now here you can see that I have entered the path over here, and now just click on predict button. So now here you can see that your result is ready as this. So depending upon the video you will upload over here, it will detect the result. So now here by clicking on the video button, here you can upload the video path over here, and by clicking on the features button, here you have to upload the features over here. So here I am uploading for Y as 5, for ACC Z as this, for X5, Y1, Z5, and for Z as 4. And now simply click on submit button. So yes, by clicking on the sign out button, you can simply log out with this. So now coming back to the conclusion part. In summary, the incorporation of deep learning, particularly with an emphasis on extracting causality features, makes a substantial advancement in the field of human activity recognition. By leveraging the capabilities of deep neural networks, this methodology tackles the shortcomings of conventional approaches, providing a solution that is more responsive and adaptable. The prioritization of causality features enables the model to grasp nuanced temporal connections inherent in human activities, resulting in systems that can identify and interpret behaviors with heightened accuracy and contextual awareness. So here we have completed with our project. Thank you.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.